Well, it was bound to happen eventually. I finally got my Sapphire, which is a analog to digital thingamabob, connected to a Mac Mini. The Sapphire wasn't very expensive, $100 or something from B&H Photo. I think I bought it in 2013 with big plans to digitize a bunch of audio tapes, and I just kind of got stalled. So now I have my Thorens turntable, which I bought in 1984, I guess, and my C27 preamp connected to the Sapphire, and I am currently digitizing the True Stories album. This was never released on CD, and it's pretty darn good from what I've heard. The album was unopened, and I had kind of hoped to digitize it on the first play, but that didn't quite happen. The more times I play it, the more sputters and pops I seem to be getting. I guess I should have used something else to set up and calibrate my equipment. Anyhow, I'm glad I've got this finally up and running. There's several records that I want to digitize because they're not available on CD.